Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Una. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Wish, wish, wish. Go. Blow. Yeah. Clap your hands, Ate Dasha. Clap. Oh, you can open your gift now.
Yeah.
And then, pwede ka nang kumain ng favorite mong champurrado. I made it for you.
Thank you.
Ayan yung kusilyo, oh. Ayan, oh. Gamitin mo muna yung kusilyo. Dahan-dahan.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Oh, go. Bumaba ka. Tapos bumaba ka sa kabila. Tapos i-ano mo. I-open it mo. Opo, gusto mo din ba mag-blow ng candle? No? May letter din dyan. Open it. Open it. Yagis mo lang dyan sa gilid yung mga basura dun sa tabihan, okay? Open it. Open it. What is inside? Anong laman yan?
I think it's a
What?
guitar.
I don't know. Open it. Itapon mo yung mga dapat mo itapon. Lagay mo lang dyan sa tabihan dyan. Ako na lang magbahala maglinis. Dyan, dyan. Ano ba yan? What's that? Oh, go. Go read it. Basa.
My sweet Ate Una, happy birthday. One thing I want you always to remember, I love you so much. You are my first baby, my first big blessing, our first reason why we have family, because you came into our life. You are our first smile and love. We love you so much, Una. Well, I'm sorry if I always made you cry. Why?
I made you cry. Why?
Uh-huh.
Why? Tapos basahin mo. What's that? Let me see. Let me see. Palagi.
Palagi
Kita.
kita pinapalo.
Pinapagalitan. Reason is,
I want you to be good girl, better person someday. I want you to be
stand up to all.
to all. What's it?
Lahat ng ginagawa
Ginagawa ni nanay
ay
ay para sa'yo. So I hope stay good and understanding. I love you, Nanay.
may you cry? Why you cry? Ha? Oh, go. Yan gift na yan. Gift yan para sa'yo. Gift ni nanay at saka ni tatay para sa'yo. Okay? Si tatay hindi pa nakakatawag eh. Kasi tumawag siya kagabi sa'yo. Tulog ka na. Ng 12 o'clock. Ano? Ang tagal mo naman buksan yan. Puro basura ba? Ba yun? Nakatutak na yung basura dyan sa tabihan. Ba yan? Baka yan lang ang laman yan.
Found it!
What's that?
It's a guitar. It's a guitar. Nana can help me carry it.
Kaya mo yan. You can do it with ate. Okay?
I think I know what it is.
Sige.
It's a rock and roll guitar.
Huwag kang maakit sa limesa kasi mababasag. Buhatin mo yan. Angatin mo. Angat. Okay?
Wait.
Then, baba ka dito sa sahig.
Wait. My first guitar.
Okay. Dahan-dahan. Dito ka sa sahig. Huwag mo babagsak ha. Then, dito mo i-open sa baba.
I need a scissors. Dasha.
Hoy, Trasha, bukas ikaw ang may birthday. Anong hawak mo? Kakalat mo lang yung gatas. Wag to. Go, open it. Dahan-dahan sa paggamit ng kutsilyo. Dahan-dahan kapatid mo. Pabaliktad ang gamit ng kutsilyo. Baka tumalsik. Yan, pag ganyan. Kasi si Trasha nasa tabi mo na. Bukas sino may birthday, Trasha? Oh, kamay ng baby.
Nana, can you help?
Baby, come here. Teka lang. Baby, come here. Okay. Hoy, bata! Ba't mo tinitira yung cake ng ate mo, ha?
Hot.
See your guitar now.
I wish I could.
Wow!
I haven't seen this guitar.
Where? Wow!
I've seen this in the computer. Awesome.
Hold it. Dandan. Wow! Oh, you can open the box. Meron pang isa pa. Wala nang laman yung box. Oh, dahan-dahan, Ate Dosha. No, Dosha, that's for Ate Una. Next time, bibili ka namin ni Tatay.
Huh?
Okay? Wow! Hindi na ngayon pwedeng palaro sa inyo ni Ate Una yan, Dosha. Wow! You have a pick. Aba? Nagigitara agad si baby.
Nana, it's not the same tona. It's not the same tona.
Mamaya mo pa ayos kay Tito Jason kasi hindi ako marunong yan eh.
Hey!
Okay? Wala na doon? Meron pa yan kasama ate. Wala nang laman?
Ito?
No, meron pa.
Okay.
Yung CD niya para malaman mo paano mag-guitar. Huwag mo pihitin na pihitin. Mamaya hintayin mo si Tito Jason para magtono ng guitar mo. Ate, masira agad. Hindi naman natin alam yan paano. Later. O, tingnan mo muna yung box. Buhatin mo yung guitar mo. Buhatin mo yung guitar mo. Then, go to dun sa box ka. Doon, kasi mayroon pa yun. Alam ko may laman pa yun eh.
No?
May kasama pa yan. May dalawa yung in-order namin para sa'yo. Aka na. I'll hold it for you. Hanapin mo yung isa.
Found it.
Meron?
I can't reach it.
Ha?
I can't reach it.
Okay. Dahan-dahan lang. Tumungtong ka dyan sa may kabila. Ano yung, tupi mo yung kahon. Yun o, tupi mo yung kahon na yan. No, baby. Kay ate to.
Dasha, don't hold it. I'll put si ate muna.
Ako nga, ako. This one. Your guitar, books, para
Thank
matuto
you,
ka.
Nana. Thank you, Tata. Thank you so much.
There you go. Peace.
Mwah.
Happy ka? You like the gift? Bye!